क्वेश्चन तो समझ में आया ना? तो ये प्रॉब्लम में क्या किया, एंगल डीबीसी इज गिवन टू यू, एंगल डीबीसी 70 degrees and angle DBAC is equal to 30 degrees. So we need to find out BCD. BCD angle is supplementary with the BAD. So BAD हमको चाहिए. So BAD चाहिए तो we need DAC. So first I have taken DAC. DAC is equal to DBC angles in the same segment 70 degrees and BAD is equals to complete angles, sum of these two angles. So from the 100 degrees we are going to get the sum of the two angles. Then BCD plus BAD 180 degrees. BCD plus BAD, sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Next, BCD plus 100 is equal to BCD is equals to 80 degrees. ये तो समझ में आया. Then after the question further it is given that AB is equals to BC. AB is equals to BC and angle BCA. Angle BCA is equals to BAC. Why? Because angles opposite to the equal sides. Two sides are equal in one triangle. Triangle is taken into consider. In this triangle, two sides are equal. Then the two angles will be equal. Okay. So the two angles are equal. So this is 30 minutes. This one 30. We are going to get the total angle is 80 degrees, and this is 50 degrees. Okay. So let us move to the next question. Seventh question. समझ में आया ना क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
Question number 7 here. So if the diagonals of the cyclic quadrilateral are the diameters of the circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. Diagonals of the cyclic quadrilateral. Like this cyclic quadrilateral is taken, and as it is asking you to prove the rectangle, let us take the A, B, C, D. It's a cyclic quadrilateral. The diagonals of these quadrilateral are diameters. So this diagonal is diameter. This diagonal is diameter. So the intersecting point is O. Here ABCD is what? Only quadrilateral. ABCD is the only quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. And cyclic quadrilateral is nothing but what the properties of the cyclic quadrilateral? Sum of the B plus D is equals to 180 degrees, A plus C is equals to 180 degrees. And we have to prove that it is a rectangle. Rectangle prove करने के लिए what you need to prove? To prove it is a rectangle, what is required for you to prove?
Sir, all angles are 90 degrees.
Only that? Only that?
Sir, opposite sides are equal, all angles are 90 degree.
Opposite?
Sides are equal.
Equal. Okay. Equal here prove करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है ना. Normally think parallel
Yes.
prove कर. If it is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degrees is called rectangle. A parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degrees is called rectangle. So if you are able to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram and one angle is 90 degrees, any one angle, then it is enough for you to say this is a rectangle. So to prove it is parallelogram, what can be taken into consideration? If you are able to prove that this angle, alternate angles, ये दोनों parallel prove करना है, तो you can consider like this. This angle, If you are able to prove that these two angles are equal, alternate angles हो जाएगा, then these two lines are parallel. And in the same way, so if is it possible to you to prove that two angles are equal? Think like that. Can you prove it? Yes. Think. You can prove it. How can you prove that two angles are equal? Mostly, wherever two angles, two sides are equal, you need to prove it. Better you take the option of congruency. So when you need to prove it is equal, then you need to go for the congruency. Congruency को चलो. Congruency prove करने के लिए try करो. Which two triangles to be taken into consideration to prove congruency here? Just think. Think. Not getting idea. No one.
Sir, triangle. Sir, sir, triangle DOC and AOB.
Triangle AOB and COD you consider. AOB and COD. Are they congruent?
Yes, sir.
How? Which congruency?
Sir, SAS.
Yes, SAS congruency. So SAS congruency is why we ask. Here it is given that what are the given things? Let us write here. See here, just figure and explain the here. Suppose if you prove that these two are congruent and these two lines are parallel, in the same way these two lines parallel. So it is parallelogram. After proving parallelogram, you need to go for its parallelogram. In the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. And the sum of the opposite angles is 180 degrees. So ये 90 ये 90 होगा. हो गया और it is a rectangle. समझ में आया? No.
यस सर समझ में आया.
So now
सर आप दोबारा बोलिए.
ना मैं steps के साथ explain करता हूँ. Once again, see here. What is given here? Given that ABCD is cyclic. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, cyclic quadrilateral. So this implies angle B plus angle D is equals to angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. And AC and BD are diagonals. These diagonals are diameters. Question में क्या किया are diameters of circle. Diameters of the circle. So these two are diameters it is given. Two diameters whenever you draw, the intersecting point is the center. Isn't it obviously? Any circle you take into consider. Here I am trying to draw. इसमें center क्या है पता है, but if I draw another diameter, then compulsory the intersecting point is the center. So therefore, intersecting point of AC and BD is a center O of circle. Consider. Therefore, OA is equals to OB is equals to OC is equals to OD. All are equal. Now I am taking triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. In this, OA is equals to OC, OB is equals to OD, angle AOB is equals to angle COD. This is radian. This is also radian. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, by SAS congruency, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Therefore, you can say that angle OAB is equal to, by simplicity, OCD. Therefore, these are vertically opposite angles, but these are interior opposite angles. So alternate interior angles. Therefore, these are alternate interior angles made by the transversal AC. You can write here clearly, made by transversal AC. So therefore you can say that AB is parallel to CD. So similarly, BC is parallel to AD. Similarly, you can write. Same way you can prove it. These two are parallel. Isn't it? Therefore, you can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. So in the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Isn't it? Parallelogram में opposite angles equal है ना? So what are the opposite angles you are taking into consider? Let us take angle ABC is equal to angle ABC. दोनों equal है. And angle ABC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because opposite angles are cyclic. I am writing cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic is nothing but you consider. Opposite angles are the cyclic quadrilateral. 180 degrees. And here both equal. So that is nothing but angle ABC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. 2 times of angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. 1 time of angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. So ABCD, one angle is 90 degrees means, therefore you can see that ABCD is a rectangle. समझ में आया? Any doubt here?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, if we only prove that all angles are 90 degrees, then is it a rectangle?
If we prove that all angles are 90 degrees in a rectangle, you are saying, in any quadrilateral, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
In a quadrilateral, each angle is 90 degrees if you are proving. Each angle, you are saying that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can say. Because quadrilateral में every angle 90 degrees prove करते हैं. If you are proving every angle is 90 degrees, then this angle 90 degrees, this angle 90 degrees means you can take the, but it should be proved as a parallelogram. Parallelogram नहीं prove करते तो नहीं होगा. होता है, but usually rectangle, yes, it is true. Rectangle होगा, but it is true. But normally whenever you are taking into consider normally rectangle prove करने के लिए parallelogram prove करना पड़ता है. Okay, can you prove like that?
Sir, if we want to prove like that, so sir, we have to take the semicircle property.
What?
Sir, in a semicircle, the subtended angle is always 90 degree, na? So sir,
Yes.
here it is given that the diagonals are the diameter of the circle.
Angle in a semicircle concept, if you are taking 90 degrees, you will get it. But actually, normally we cannot say like that. Okay, that's your idea is good, but whenever we are taking into consider a quadrilateral in which each angle is 90 degrees, it is a rectangle only. Obviously, we will get, but proof generally whenever we are moving we cannot prove like that. You will get it, but nowhere else normally it is that property is not taken into consideration. Your
Okay,
idea is right, but directly we will not say anywhere else that 90 degrees each angle. If you are having 90 degrees in any quadrilateral, it is rectangle बोल के बोलते हैं, but parallelogram बोलना पड़ता है, उसको parallelogram prove करना है. If 90 degrees, if you are proving here every angle is 90 degrees, then parallelogram prove कर सकते हैं, because obviously that is right only. Suppose ये quadrilateral ये 90 बोल रहे हैं, so इसको sum of the interior opposite angles co-allied angles बोलते हैं. Co-allied angles sum is 180 degrees you are getting. 180 degrees means these two lines are parallel. In the same way these two lines are parallel. So parallelogram हो गया. वो भी मेंशन करना पड़ता है. Any का parallelogram मेंशन करना पड़ता है. But usually, yes, your question is right. If it is question given that, sir, if anyone is given that quadrilateral in which every angle is 90 degrees, can we say it is a rectangle? Means yes, you can say rectangle. There is no quadrilateral, such type of a quadrilateral in which each angle 90 degrees and which is not a rectangle. There is no quadrilateral like that. Okay, but better you prove like this one. Okay, let us move to the next question. We'll complete the exercise today, daily class. And so the time लेके भी complete करते हैं. When is starting later? Eighth one. So eighth question is given that non-parallel sides of the trapezium are equal. So non-parallel sides equal means what do we call that trapezium? ABC is a trapezium. Non-parallel sides are equal. These two are equal. Given. Okay. So given AB is equals to BC. What do we call this trapezium? What do we call this trapezium?
sir, isosceles trapezium.
Isosceles trapezium. So here we have to prove this trapezium is a cyclic trapezium. Cyclic बोल के prove करना है ना. If you are proving that sum of the this angle is 180 degrees, sum of the this angle 180 degrees, then you can say that it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Isn't it? Okay na? So sum of the opposite angles is 180 degrees means it is cyclic quadrilateral. So here to prove that, and we know that the sum of the A and D is equals to 180 degrees. We know that this and this is 180 degrees. A and D 180. So if you are able to prove that D and C are equal, or if you are able to prove that A and D are equal, then you can say that A B equal means A D sum is 180 because it is a parallel. These two lines are parallel. Then you can say that B and D sum is also equal to 180. Therefore, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So for that purpose, we need to prove that these two are equal or these two are equal. Okay, let us do one thing. Okay, drop the perpendicular from here. Drop the perpendicular from here. The perpendicular line drop. Let us name it as E and F. E and F. Consider. Okay, so draw DE perpendicular to AE and CF perpendicular to BF. Then, if you consider right angle triangle, hypotenuse equal, these two lengths are equal. So consider the triangles in triangle ADE and triangle BCF. In this ADE is equals to BC. This is given. And in this DE is equals to CF. Right? Can anyone say why these two are equal?
90 degrees.
Huh? Where they are equal? Yes, tell me. Someone raised the hand. Nikhil or Pragya, tell. Pragya. Okay, Mruganta. Whoever it may be, Antika, yes.
So because AB and CD are parallel lines. So because AB and CD are parallel lines.
Yes.
And
Distance between the two parallel lines. ये distance between the parallel. इधर भी
Yeah.
two parallel distance है ना.
Sir,
Distance.
because they are two equal perpendiculars.
Yes. Both are perpendicular. Distance between the parallel. Parallel lines के बीच में distance बोले तो now you have to consider here that perpendicular lines होता है तो भी distance बोलते हैं. So this and both are right angle triangle. Angle DEA is equals to angle BFC. DEA or CFB. I'm confused with CFB. So by RHS congruency, you can say that triangle ADE is equals to triangle BCF. Therefore, angle DAE is equals to angle CBF. That is nothing but angle A is equals to angle B in trapezium में. And angle A plus angle B. If you want three letters, you can write in the trapezium. In trapezium, you can say trapezium में is equals to 180 degrees because allied angles co-interior angles भी बोल सकते हैं. And A equal to B, angle B plus angle D is equals to 180 degrees. This implies B plus D, sum of opposite angles of quadrilateral. Sum of opposite angles in the quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Therefore, ABCD is cyclic. So every isosceles trapezium is a cyclic quadrilateral. Every isosceles trapezium is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay? Did you understand here? Ninth problem, whenever you are taking into consider, its problem is figure is very complicated, but nothing is there in that question. Figure देख के थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा लोग confused हो जाता है, but in that nothing is there. So I previously also told you that whenever you are geometry practice कर रहे हो, then you need to draw the figure. Figure में explain करना है. पहले वाला question देखो. Okay, like this trapezium लिया है, isosceles trapezium बोला है. So A, B, C, D is isosceles trapezium. So we need to prove that it is cyclic. So these two are equal prove करना है. तो ये दोनों sum is one side. These two 180 prove करना है. B plus C 180. So A plus D 180 they are having. So A equal to B prove करना है. So A equal to B कैसे prove कर सकते हैं? Draw the perpendiculars. RHS congruency में ये दोनों equal congruent होता है. So therefore these two angles are equal. This sum is 180. This sum is 180. Like this. 1 minute में खत्म problem. Like this, every problem revise करो. Every problem you revise by drawing the figure like this. After completion of the one exercise complete होने के बाद क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है, figure ड्रा करना है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा practice हो जाएगा. And when you practice the geometry in a proper way, then automatically you get it. So now question is given to you: two circles intersect at a point B and C. Okay, two circles are intersecting at a point B and C. Through the B, two line segments A, B, D and P, B, Q. A, B, D. A, B, D. Sorry, D. A, B, D and P, B, Q are drawn. P, B, Q. P, B, Q are drawn to intersect the circles at A and D, P and Q respectively. Prove that ACP, this one, ACP is equals to angle ACP is equals to angle QCD. See, ACP equal to what you made, angle made by this arc, other point. Same arc और जगह में क्या है ये, so this angle को equal होगा ये दोनों, okay, and this angle is equal to this one. This angle is equal to this one, vertically opposite angles, and this angle is made by the DQ in this circle, and DQ other circle क्या है, QCD बोला है, QCD. So therefore this angle will be equal to this one. See here, समझ में कुछ नहीं है इसमें, फिगर ऐसा घुमा के दे दिया, समझ में आया, सॉल्यूशन समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Figure complicated है, but question is not complicated. We need to prove that ACP angle ACP is equals to ABP plus same segment. Angles है same segment, and this angle ABP is equals to angle DBQ, vertically opposite, same segment. Angle DBQ will be equals to angle QCD because same segment. DBQ is equal to DCQ or QCD. ये इसको इक्वल है, ये इसको इक्वल है, ये इसको इक्वल है, so ये दोनों इक्वल होगा. So angle ACP is equals to angle QCD. 3-4 steps problem. Question समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Simple question. So no complication is there in this question. So let us move to the next question. I think you can do this problem. Just I already explained earlier, so easily you can do that. With the steps you have to write like this. So next question is given to you. 10th one. If two circles are taken, so two circles are drawn taking the two sides of the triangle as a diameter. Okay, triangle का circles लेके diameters के जैसा लेके and prove that the point of intersection of these two circles lie on the third side. Point of intersection of these two circles. Prove that the point of intersection of these two circles lie on the third side. If two circles are drawn taking the two sides of the triangle. Okay. Two circles you draw first. इसका diameter ये है, इसका diameter ये ना. Let us consider. Okay, this is diameter A, B, and this is the center O dash C. So ये we need to prove that with that point D, another point, intersection point will pass us through the third side. That we need to prove here. So we need to prove that D lies on BC in this case. So what is given here? Given AB and AC are diameters of two circles. These two are diameters, it is given to that. And these are the diameters of the circles which intersects at D. A is obviously A के point में intersect होता है. Okay. So now we need to prove that D lies on BC. So DBC is a straight line. DBC is a straight line बोल के prove करना है. So that is nothing but angle DBC is equals to. We need to prove that straight angle बोल के prove करना है. Okay. So now here for this, you join the what you get. Okay. A to D join AD. So what do you get here? Angle ADB is equals to 90 degrees. Wait, angle in a semicircle. Angle in semicircle. Same angle in a semicircle, you get angle ABC is equals to also 90 degrees. Therefore, angle BBC is equals to BBC angle for angle ABC plus angle ADB लिख सकते हैं ना ADC ABD. So ये 90 है AB 90 है. So total 180 degrees. Therefore, you can say that BDC 90 degrees is nothing but BDC is a straight angle. Straight angle is nothing but 180 degrees हो गया. So इधर angle कुछ form नहीं हो रहा like this. So therefore, you can say that D lies on BC. So the intersecting point is lying on the third side. Third side is BC. So ABC is a triangle. In that triangle, we have proved that third side is lying on the third. Okay. So next, ABC and A. Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So next question is given to you. Next question. ABC and ADC are the two right angle triangles with a common hypotenuse AC. AC common hypotenuse. ABC right angle triangle B 90 degrees. AD D 90 degrees. It is given that these two are right angles with a head. Prove that CAD angle is equals to CBD. Oh, B to D also there. CBD, CAD, CBD. तो सर्किल कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करना पड़ता है. How do we use the circle here? Given what is okay, first let us write. Given angle ABC and is equals to angle ABC, which is equals to 90 degrees. Right angle triangles. AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. So whenever you are taking this one into the consider, O is the midpoint of hypotenuse. A midpoint is midpoint I am taking here. O is the midpoint. Let O is midpoint of AC. AC का midpoint consider कर लिया है. Then you can say that OA is equals to OB is equals to OC is equals to OD. Therefore, you can draw a circle passing through this pole. So, therefore, draw a circle with O as center passing through A, B, C, D. Can we draw? Why? Because cyclic quadrilateral है ना. Angle because the reason is angle B plus angle B is equals to 180 degrees. Opposite angle सब में cyclic quadrilateral होगा. ये दोनों का sum भी 180 degrees होगा. And it is 90 degrees is given. You can draw a circle passing through this. Simple here. ये actually center भी लेने का जरूरत नहीं. ये point center भी लेने का जरूरत नहीं. ये भी जरूरत नहीं. Because simple ये reason ये पूरा लिखने का जरूरत ही नहीं. You can directly सेंटर तो पता होना है ना। साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल तो आ गया है, साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल आने के बाद सेंटर का जरूरत भी नहीं है। साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल, देयरफॉर ये साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल हो गया है। सो देन यू कैन से दैट what we need to prove? We need to prove that CAD is equals to angle CAD is equals to angle CBD. Angle in the same segment. Directly you can say center में लेने का जरूरत नहीं, कुछ नहीं है इस प्रॉब्लम में। Just observe that it is given that B and D sum is 180 degrees. As the B and sum is 180 degrees, 180 degrees directly 90 degrees, 90 degrees directly. So sum is 180 degrees. Sum 180 means cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD cyclic. So you can cyclic is not good. You can draw a circle passing through this one. Center may be anything. Doesn't matter here center. हमको center से मतलब नहीं है. So then you can say that this arc CAD angle, this same arc CBD angle in the same segment. Angle in the same segment concept if you are using, then you are going to get the required solution. Last one, 12th question is given to you. Prove that a cyclic quadrilateral is a rectangle. Cyclic parallelogram. Already we have proved in the previous. ये parallelogram है. Already parallelogram prove करके एक quadrilateral को parallelogram prove करके we have proved it is a rectangle. So here already parallelogram is given to you. Parallelogram given means these two angles equal and the sum is 180 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. Then it is a rectangle. हम लोग ऑलरेडी प्रूव कर लिया है ना वो, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir. So you complete the notes completely, and I will give the